Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Sorry for the lack of videos, but I have been a little bit sick. I don't know if you can still kind of hear that. I do apologize, though. I have been a little bit sick. But anyway, we have another eBay buyer that is a total fool. So, as you guys know, the excuse me, the beta period for Android 9 Pie was coming to an end on the Note. So I went ahead and I sold my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It was in full working condition, no issues or anything like that. It was just a regular used phone. So I sold it. I took a price of $550 for the best offer price. Just because I was looking to get rid of it. Like I said, I did get the iPhone XR in red instead after I sold this phone. So if you look here under shipping and payments, it does say seller does not offer returns. Right there. Seller does not offer returns. So they received this phone on the 11th, and I messaged them a couple days later just to make sure, hey, wanted to make sure everything got there okay. If you're satisfied with your item, please take a second to leave feedback, just like I always do. And instead of getting feedback, or instead of having a problem, they automatically opened a return request just a couple minutes after I sent the message. And the reason for the return request was change my mind. And in the comments section of it, they went on to say that they no longer wanted the phone, they wanted to get a different one, and that they had not powered this one on. And I declined the request and put in the comments section, sorry, but the item was listed as no returns. Didn't hear anything back from them for a couple days. Thought whatever, they've moved on. Nope. So I get this message yesterday from the buyer. Hello. Sorry about that, excuse me. Hello, I would like to return this phone. I will leave you a negative feedback if I cannot return it, and I will go through PayPal. Please reopen the return. Well, for anybody that knows, you can't reopen a return. Once you decline the return, they can't go back and start another one. You can't go back and start another one. And as far as I know, for an eBay sale, you can't go through PayPal for a dispute. If you go to the dispute section on PayPal, it just takes you back to the eBay Resolution Center, which, since they already attempted to return it, and it was already that request was already closed, because the reason they used was change my mind. They didn't use like defective or not received or something like that. I wasn't obligated to accept a return, so me declining the return, there really was nothing else they could do. And when they said this, when they started threatening to leave negative feedback and go through PayPal, I did call eBay and talk to their seller protection department, and they said that if they did leave negative feedback, it would be removed because the item was listed as no returns. And he said if somehow they did go through PayPal, that I have all the stuff to show that the item was listed as no returns, and I declined the return, and that PayPal should side with me on that as well. So next I said, it's listed as no returns, no. And they said, you will get bad feedback in return, then have fun with that. And I haven't heard anything else from them. So, that is that. My voice is starting to go back out because I've been talking. But this is another eBay seller that thinks they're just going to threaten their way into getting you to do what they want, even though on the listing it clearly says no returns. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.